In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Snapchat login problem in your device. You just need to follow these steps. So let's begin. First, all you have to do is open Snapchat and click on login. Then you need to enter your username as well as your password. Here, even if you enter your correct password, it will show you an error to log in your account. So in order to remove this issue, you need to click on forget your password. Then click on via phone and click on allow. Then you need to enter your phone number. And after entering your number, you need to click on submit. Then you'll receive one code number in your phone. You need to paste that code number here. After entering the code number, you need to change your password. And after entering your new password, you need to click on submit. Now you need to enter your new password here. And then click on login. There you go, now you can easily use your Snapchat account without having any problem. Well, by changing your password, your issue to log in your account will be removed. So this is it, and this was a tutorial on how to solve Snapchat login problem in your device. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.